All right, guys. You are highly welcome to my channel once again today. Real quick, guys. Today I am going to share with you guys this powerful strategy that you guys are going to use to trade volatility 75 index, and not only volatility 75 index, guys. You are going to use this strategy to trade any synthetic indices. All right. So what you just need to do for yourself right now is calm down, relax, and take a cup of coffee and sit back and relax. And if anything is trying to distract you, what you just need to do for yourself is turn away or turn off that thing. And after watching this video, guys, you can go back to whatsoever you were doing before, or you come across this video. All right, so this is the opportunity, this is the strategy that you have been clamoring for. All right, so this is the best way you can trade volatility 75 index, no matter how volatile you think or you think that volatility 75 is, or jump 75 is, or any of the volatility or any of the pair in the synthetic world. No matter how volatile you think that pair is, this is the best strategy that you are going to use to conquer every damn volatile pairs. All right, so today I am going to share with you this volatility 75 big box strategy that you guys are going to use. All right, so it is not only on volatility, you can use it in any other time frames. Just stay with me, let me walk you through how you can use this strategy to trade any other pairs. All right, and beside this is just a perfect thing that most of you have been clamoring for. All right, so this particular tools that we are talking about, or this particular strategy that we are talking about today, you know is just like what I used to tell most of my subscribers or most of my audience, that if you do not know how to analyze your chart, if you do not know how to read price or read your charts, all right, there is no way you are going to make money. If you like, use the best indicator or best strategy in the whole world, there is no way you are going to make profit from that strategy, because you do not know how to read their chart, you do not know what they call price action, you do not know how to, or the best place, or the crucial zones that you need to mark out, so that you will be able to wait patiently for that market to get to that zone, all right, for you to open any position. So with this particular video, I am going to share that strategy with you guys, so that you will start making real cash after watching this video. All right, so with that being said, guys, if this is your first time of hearing my voice, or if this is your first time of listening to the sound of my voice, let me officially introduce myself to you. My name is Olites from globalfx, and what I do here is that whenever I found any strategy that is working, or anything at all that is working or bringing money to the table, I come here and share it with you guys, so that you too will try it out on your own end and see how it works. All right, so with that being said, guys, and if you are finding this content valuable for you and for any other person out there, what you just need to do is smash that like button and turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I upload or share any content like this, you will be among the first that YouTube are going to send notification that I've shared another powerful content that will contribute to your trading career. All right, so and if you are getting value from this video, what you just need to do is smash that subscribe button, and also give me a thumbs up, guys, in appreciation. All right, so this particular strategy I'm going to share with you guys here is very, very rare, and nobody is talking about this strategy, and this is the best way you can start making money after watching this strategy. All right, so this is not a joke, guys. Just pay very close attention. Let me share with you guys how it works. Now, as you can see from my chart here, when you look at all these things that I've marked here on my chart, all right, so when you look at it, let me bring it this way so that you will see it clearly. When you look at my chart right now, you will be asking yourself, what is the essence of all these things that this guy has marked on this chart? Yes, these are the key important zones that you really need to watch out for whenever you are trading any of the synthetic indices, even whenever you are trading currency pairs. All right, so these are the key zones that you really need to watch out for. All right, so you need to for you to find all those key zones, All right, you need to look at your chart properly, look at it closely, so that you'll be able to see all those key zones. If you fail to detect those key zones, that is when you fail to make money from trading. All right, these are the most vital information that no one is talking about. All right, for you to start making real cash, you need to know and detect those zones, the vital zones that you really need to wait for that market to come there and meet you before you can do anything. Why most of you lose money is because you are chasing after the trade. You wait for the trade to come for you. All right, wait for the trade to come to you. Once the trade comes to you, that is when you will give the trade the instruction, give your indicator or your strategy instruction on what to do, and the strategy will obey, or the market will obey the instruction that you gave to your strategy. All right, let me repeat that again. If you allow the market to come to you, whereby you have already mapped or marked out your zone, your vital zones, that vital zones are the reversal points, the places that the market reacted to in the past. That is the places that you really need to mark out. And once you mark all those zones out and you break it, this is not only on this higher time frame, this is daily time frame. All right, this is daily time frame. Let's take for instance, for what I'm saying, when you look at let's just take for instance from this zone here. All right, because the analysis that I've been doing here started from this zone here. All right, so all these things that this market has been doing here, this drop down, that is this selling, all right, this selling here, it ended at this particular day, which is 5th of May. All right, when you are on your time or your daily time frame, you will be able to still see the same thing as I'm analyzing it right now. The whole downtrend ended for the first impression here, or first time, on this 5th of May, on the 19th of May. All right, that is when he ended, and he reversed at that zone that he reversed. That is a vital key zone. All right, this is a key zone whereby you need to take note of that zone. Now, as soon as it reversed at this zone, this is a downtrend at the same, or on the 20th, that is following day, that is when the bullish, this particular move from this zone to this zone started. All right, and on the 20th of May, that is when this reversals started, and he ended when again. He ended on the 31st of May. All right, so now the reversal again back to downtrend started again on the 1st of June, and this is another rejection at that same zone again. All right, look at this rejection here. So these things that I'm pointing out to you guys, that is what will determine your key zone, the key factors that you really need to mark out. Now, when you look at this place, why I marked this place out, you'll be asking, what is the connection with all these markouts here? All right, when you look at this place here at the left hand side here, you will see that this market gets to this zone and reverse. That is a key point or a key zone. All right, when you go deeply into the left hand side here, you will see different rejection at that zone. Now, when you look at it here, the market gets to this place, it rejected at this particular place here before it was able to break through and gets to this place that it formed double top here. All right, so as soon as it gets to this double top, and look at another double top here, that is when it bounced back here, and when it gets to this same zone here, this another zone that serves as support, then that is when the market rejected how many times here before it start going back upward. All right, as soon as it still get to this place, it did some kind rejection here before it heads to that zone, this same double top zone here, and it rejects at that zone. That is another strong zone that you need to mark out. All right, so that is how you can start trading profitably, making big money, smiling to the bank every now and then with the profit that you are withdrawing from your trading account. All right, so all these things that you are seeing many people flexing their money, or flexing they are living the life of their dreams because of the things they do, or because of how they trade, you'll be thinking that they started trading with big money. It's all about, brain. All right, you apply your brain with what you are doing. Be focused. All right, do not let one strategy to another, or do not let anything distract you when you are analyzing your chart. You cannot only do this on higher time frame, you can do it on any other time frame. All you just need to do is to mark all those key zones, and once you mark on the key zones, that is when you will know where the market is going to reverse. And as soon as you know when the market is going to reverse, that is when you will capitalize on it. And by so doing, you have already waited for that market to come there and meet you. All right, you have already waited for that market. Sorry about that, guys. You have already waited for that market to come there and meet you. I said that earlier on when this video was when we started this analysis. You do not need to chase the market. Many of you will say probably you wanted to open a position for sale here, and probably somehow you see that this market has gotten to this zone, and for your mind, or for the way you analyze the market, probably you will say, okay, this market will be going down so deep that you cannot wait for any rejection or any retracement before opening a position. I normally say that make sure you wait for that market to retrace, and as soon as that market retraces, that is when you are going to open your position. And that retracement zone that you are waiting for that market is that vital levels that you have marked your chart, and you have been there waiting for that market to get to that zone. As soon as that market gets to that zone, and repeat the same process that it did in previous charts, that is when you will know that the opportunity has come to you, that is high time for you to open a position for probably sell or buy. All right, now let's take for instance with what we are saying. Probably you marked your chart this way, and you have been waiting patiently at this zone because you realize that this is a vital zone. Okay, let's just move it to this zone. All right, probably you take because of this place and mark this zone, and you wait patiently for this market. As the market is somewhere here, you are waiting waiting for this market to come down to this zone, the same zone, and meet you up. All right, as soon as this market comes to this place and it drop this first rejection, second rejection, third rejection, you must open your position, because already you have known that this market is not going to break this with all these three rejection at a go. All right, so by so doing, guys, once you open your position at this particular place here, what happened, guys? Look at it, because already you have waited patiently for this market to come to this zone and meet with you. And as soon as you meet with you at this place, that is preparation meets with opportunity at this zone, that is when the success story pick up from this zone here, and you come to this place and hit up. That is your TP. Once you open something like this, definitely the double top here must be your TP. There is no two ways about it, because if you really know what you are doing, it's as simple as ABCD. It's as clear as crystal. All right, so that is it, guys. When I keep saying that you need to know how to read and analyze your chart, I am not joking, guys. This is the best strategy that no one is talking about out there. With this strategy on any time frame, guys, or any pair at all, you will be smiling to the bank every now and then with the profit that you are making from this. All right, so I want you to really do yourself that favor and practice this on your demo account. Try to learn how to analyze your chart. Try to know how to read the market structure. Try to know how to go about understanding price action. By so doing, you'll be able to understand all these things that I analyzed here, and all these things that I stated here. You'll be able to understand how those things works, and how you can implement what you learn on the process and start making real cash. All right, so that is it, guys. And if you also want me to teach you or mentor you more on how to understand all these things, and how to really peg yourself and know the particular zone that you are going to start making this free cash by waiting for the market to come to you, not you chasing the market. if you want me to mentor you on how to know all these things, guys, that we are making money from the market today does not mean that we just wake up every day and start making money. There are days, or there are times that you lose market, or you lose your trade, not because you don't know what you are doing. You lose the trade because you lost, or you lose focus on what you're supposed to be analyzing on. So that is why you see sometimes most professionals will tell you that market is not 100% you know that way, that you be thinking or looking at it, that anytime you come to the market that you are entitled to make profit. If you lose focus for a minute, you are going to lose money from the market. So that is why it requires full concentration, guys. So if you love content like this, guys, if you love content like this and you want me to be sharing real content like this with you guys, what you just need to do is, you know what to do: share this video with your loved ones and all those people that are struggling to make money, and those ones that are also searching on how to analyze their chart and know how to start making real cash. What you just need to do: like this video, share it with your loved ones, so that YouTube also will be able to share this video with those that are also looking to find something like this. All right. So, and if you want me to mentor you, as I said earlier on, before I forgot, I am going to leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. It's only for serious minded people, guys. All right. So it's only for serious minded people. If you want me to mentor you on how to trade volatility 75 index and other synthetic indices, guys, I will leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. Contact me and let me know that you want me to mentor you on how to be trading volatility 75 index and other synthetic indices successfully and profitably, and I will definitely get back to you as soon as I can. And also, I've written 2 books on how you can trade this volatility 75 index and other synthetic indices successfully and profitably, guys. This is the exact thing that most of you need. All right. So if you cannot afford to enroll yourself on mentorship program right now, guys, the only thing for you to do is try as much as possible and grab a copy of those books. Make sure you grab a copy of those books and read it. Understand how to start trading synthetic indices. I also included the indicators and the strategies that you really need to start trading these synthetic indices successfully and profitably. Any of the synthetic indices, the volatility 75, the volatility 25, name it, step index and all that. I listed the tools and the strategies that you really need to start trading those pairs successfully and profitably in that book. So what you just need to do for yourself: grab a copy of that book and make sure you read it and understand it properly. And if you do not understand anything after reading the book, still let me know and I will detail more about what you just read. All right. So that is it, guys. And as I said earlier on, if you want me to be doing content like this, or be sharing with you guys the content like this, what you just need to do: drop comment in the comment section and appreciate. All right, appreciate. And also, before I forgot, guys, I am not on Telegram. All right, I said this before and I'm saying it again. One of my subscribers just sent me a Telegram channel whereby someone is using my name to probably, I don't really know what the person is doing with my name, whether he's scamming people with it. I can never ask you to send money to me. All right, you can only send anything to me when you enroll on mentorship program. I am not on Telegram, guys. Do not let anybody scam you. All right, I am not on Telegram, and I am not asking anybody to invest for any reason. Though I am planning to open up to investment level, but once that is ready, I will let you guys know. All right, so that is it. And do not let anybody scam you in the name of globalfx. I am not on Telegram. You can only reach me via WhatsApp or email. All right, so that is it. I am not on Telegram. Do not let anybody scam you. All right, so that is it, guys. Signing out. Olites. Peace.